So your loved one was on probation, and before you knew it, they were snatched up by their PMP officer, put in custody, and now they're looking at spending years in prison. Can PMP do that? What happens now? How do you help? Well, the short answer to the first question is, at least for now, yes. The parole and probation officer can put them in custody. But the good news is that arresting your loved one is the end of their power, and now the case is in the hands of a judge. What happens now? Your loved one is heading towards a revocation hearing. A revocation hearing can be scary, and while it's a bit like the Wild West of legal proceedings, it also has some rules and procedures that it follows. How can you help? Well, first, your loved one may not even understand why they are being revoked from probation. You must get a copy of the revocation report. This will outline all the reasons that the probation officers can create for why your loved one should be revoked. While some of the reasons might sound pretty damn petty, like a failure to pay $90 in supervision fees, in reality, they're now in front of a district court judge. And if the judge cares, you need to care. Every reason that is in the revocation report should be addressed. Second, you need evidence. Imagine you are a judge and you have 5 revocation hearings every day. How often do you think you are going to hear from the person in custody, "The probation officer is wrong. I did check in. I did show up for drug counseling. I did get a job." The judge asks, "Where's your proof?" I left it on my dresser back home, Your Honor. If you let me out, I promise I won't run from the 15-year prison sentence. Honest. The paperwork's on my dresser. Take it from me. Even the fairest judge has been burned by some defendant at some time, and they've learned to verify what they're being told. So how do you get the evidence? I employ investigators and paralegals in my office because my clients deserve the best. We gather all the evidence to address every issue in the revocation report. Finally, witnesses are even allowed to testify for both the state and for your loved one, but make sure that any witnesses on your behalf are fully prepared, because the state gets a crack at them too. We know all about revocation hearings, and these tips will help get the best possible result. If you want to talk more, call my office now.